Doing a little milling this morning and bitching. This is a 710. It's a 5mm by 710mm. This is a 730. And basically it gets right down to the way this thing is set up. I can't get on these here. That means I got to adjust the motor up. And I don't know. If I raise the motor, then this belt will be loose. I'm getting less and less enchanted with this Enco belt setup. Changes are coming. Anyways, mainly what I was talking about, I decided to rip out some parallels I cut out of a car or a truck leaf spring. And since I'm not editing film or videos and so on, the biggest problem with this thing is a fine adjustment to laterally. It's just a real stinker to get a fine adjustment there. So as a milling machine, this thing kind of sucks. The Grizzly adapter is plenty heavy. I didn't weigh it. It's up close to 20 pounds. This adjustment's fine. It's even got a little scale on here. But you can't see the marker because it's buried behind the thing here. So that's a sucky addition. You can make another mark over here on the side and work with it. But I bought a 2-inch machinist vise, and I had to build the hole downs. These are 1/4 inch. The holes in the vise are 1/4 inch, and I ran a drill through them to clean them up. And while I was running the drill through, I drilled on into the this is 1-inch square, I believe. Anyways, drilled on into them and then mounted pins from 1/4 inch drill rod, and the 1/4 inch was too tight, so I ended up on the lathe turning it down a little bit, so it's a shade under 1/4 inch, so they slip in nicely. The bolts are all standard 6mm, and I did the same thing on this side. I started to mill a cavity in here, but it's really not needed, as you can see. So I stopped with that. It's a kludge. It's all bullshit. But you can get by and do some milling. So there you go. I'm not sure it was worth the money for this thing, but I got it, so I'm keeping it. So long. Have a good day.